Hey everyone, it's Ed at R U Cars. This is our 2014 LCI BMW X3 F25. It's a 3.5D model, X-Drive of course, 78,000 miles, 8 services I do believe. Finished in carbon black with the Nevada leather, looking the part. On the 20-inch 310 style alloys, which are all freshly refurbished. 4 Michelin tyres, got the pan roof, got the Shadowline trim. We've just had the rear windows tinted. Absolutely drives without fault. Front and rear parking sensors. Reg number there for any checks you may wish to carry out. A couple of marks on the top of the bumper from loading things in the boot, and a tiny little blemish there. He's 11 years old. Recent brakes, just had a full service, all the filters done. Michelin tyres there. Proper rating for the car. This one's got the power tailgate. Not all of these have that. Nice size load area with the split fold rear seats, load cover, no nasty smells or anything untoward. This one has got a Brink aftermarket detachable tow bar, as you can see there, and the ball is under the floor with the electrics as well. I can tell it's got that without looking. The Nevada leather has the contrasting white stitch. I think it looks well. Got the centre armrest, the ISFX, rear electric windows, and that big pan roof. We've got the same in the front. Front seats are heated. Again with a contrasting stitch. Looking lovely. 3-spoke paddle shift multifunction steering wheel. Electric windows and mirrors, auto lights and wipers. We'll just start the car for you now. See, there are no warning lights other than the fuel. TPMS, your tyre pressures are resetting. That's because I've had the wheels refurbished and not driven it since. But yeah, 78,700 miles, no nasties. All starts as it should. Got cruise control over here. Audio controls this side. But yeah, auto main beam, as you may just see there on the indicator stalk. Dual climate control, as I say, with heated seats. Cup holders, or your switch gear in the centre is in very nice condition. USB, an auxiliary in the armrest. Your handbooks are in the glove box, and we have got your media navigation up here, which I'll just briefly show you. We've got DAB radio, of course we've got AM, FM as well. Bluetooth audio with your auxiliary and USB that I've just shown you under the armrest, and your CD. This one also benefits from the advanced loudspeaker system, so you've got decent quality audio. And here it's not the standard system. Got your navigation, all working there. Your Bluetooth telephone. Your X-Drive status, which will give you a bit of off-roading info if you require it. And then in here, oh, sorry, wrong one. You'll see a majority of the service history, and we do have more in the office, and it has just had a major service here with us. But the majority of it is BMW, as you can see there. And that's really it. Another car, or another nice X3. Value for money, this one. It's an LCI car. We've got it priced at pre-LCI money. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. And finance is available. Thanks for watching.